Just a quick look at the DM8. Show you any markings that are on it. Some wear at the bottom of the regulator. Got one mark on the back there, and two marks back there. Let's look at the tank. The tank does have one small mark right there, but it does work fine. And look at the rotor, just normal wear, and it does work. It's the extra bulkhead that comes with the DM8. DM8 does work. And that's it.